All right, I'm going to go over a couple more examples for how we find the sums with arithmetic series. So for here we have the sum of the first 18 terms. That's what this S18 means. And we're given that the sequence starts as 3.2, 2.9, 2.6, 2.3, and so forth. So we're going to apply our equations for the sum of the first n terms given here. And here's our equation for the an term in case we need it. So we want to find the first sum, or the sum of the first 18 terms, S18. We're going to need to have n be 18 times a1 plus a18 over 2. So we need to find a1 and a18, and then we can just evaluate this. So we have 18 times, make that a little better. A1 is easy because it's given there, 3.2. But we're going to need a18. So let's leave that for now, and let's work on finding a18. So a18, so to find the 18th term, we're going to use this equation. And so we're going to have n be 18. Am could be anything. We'll just make am a1. D, our common difference, is what the sequence is changing by each time. And it's going down by 0.3. So D is negative 0.3. So it's changing by 0.3 each time. It's decreasing by 0.3. This will be plus a negative 0.3 times n minus m. Our n is 18. Our m is 1. And then from here, we just have to evaluate and basically simplify. A1 is going to be 3.2. We have 3.2 minus 0.3 times 17. 3.2, 0.3 times 17, I believe, will be 5.1. Let me give my calculator some action. So let's go 0.3. Yeah, 5.1. So 3.2 minus 5.1, negative 1.9. So that's going to be our 18th term. And so we're going to put negative 1.9. Doesn't really fit that well, but let me rewrite this cleaner because I don't like squeezing it. Actually, I'm going to rewrite it all over. Power of whiteboards and erasure. S18 will be 18 times A1, or 3.2, plus, or let's just say minus 1.9, over 2. And then we just break it down from here. So 3.18 times 3.2. 3.2 minus 1.9, and here will give us 1.3 over 2. And making sure we know our algebra and order of operations, this will be 9. This will essentially be 9 times 1.3, which will be 9, 10, 9 plus 2.7. So 11.7. There you go. Sorry about the glare. Should have fixed that. 11.7. Let's do one more of these. So let's look at Problem D. Problem D, we have S15. We want to find the sum of the first 15 terms for negative 18 plus negative 16 plus negative 14 and so forth. So S15, we need again, this will be that n is then 15 using this formula. 15 times A1 plus AN times, so A1 plus A15 in this case, all over 2. So we have A1, but let's find A15. Then let's plug it in and then we'll solve. So A15, here we can have A15 be, we can use A1 again, plus our common difference D times 15 minus 1. So A1 plus D, it's decreasing by, no, it's increasing by 2. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Because we're going up by 2 each time. So our common difference is 2. That's not a 2. I'll have 2 times n minus m. So n will be 15. M will be m will be 1. And let's just now evaluate this, simplify this. A1 is our A18, or sorry, A1 is negative 18. So we get negative 18 plus 2 times 14. Working our way through. This will be negative 18 plus 28, which will be 10. Interesting. Okay, so we have then 10 for our A15, and we already have A1, so let's work this out. So, and let me just work it out down here, so I don't have to like rewrite it. So S15 will be 15 times A1, or negative 18, plus A15, which we found to be 10, over 2. Doing the math right. 15, negative 18 plus 10, negative 8, over 2, negative 80, negative 120, negative 120 over 2. And we'll get negative 60. All right, so there you go. Hope that helps.